Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw a Diwali candle. And I want to show you how to do this because today is actually the start of the Diwali holiday. And I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw this candle in honor of it. So if anyone is celebrating Diwali today, I want to wish you a happy Diwali, and I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Diwali candle, I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. So we're going to start here, and we're just going to make a little line that's going to come up. And you can see it's going to go a lot higher up here than it is down here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I want it to do the exact same thing. So we're just going to come down, and we're going to come up to here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes over. Then we want to kind of jump over this and draw another little line that's going to come down and then connect. Now, starting out here a little bit, I'm going to bring a line that comes right to here. So we just want to draw a little line that just comes up. And then we'll start here and we'll draw a line that comes out here. So we want to keep this about the same width, and we're just going to come out to here. Now to finish off our bowl, we want to draw a line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go back up, kind of like a big smiley face. So we're just going to make a line that's going to go down, and then we just want to bring it up and connect right to there. Now, starting up here, I want to make the flame. Now to do this, we're going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go out, and then we're going to bring it up, and you can see we kind of curve it. So it's almost like a really big stretched out S. Now at the top, we're going to make a line that comes down, it's going to go out and then in. So we're just going to bring this line down and curve it in to a nice little point. Next, we want to add some different details onto our Diwali candle. Now, there's so many different things you guys can do. I'm just going to do a simple little pattern on here. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that comes up to right about here. So I'm just going to draw a line. I'm just going to kind of follow the shape, and I'm just going to go up. And then I want to do the exact same thing down here. I'm going to come right to here. So we're just going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and it's going to go right out to here. Now, starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of come down, and then it's going to go back up like a really big stretched out smiley face. So we're just going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it just comes right up to here. Now, inside of here, I just want to add a few kind of circular oval shapes. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to draw kind of like an oval shape right here in the middle. And then I'm going to make a few smaller ones on the side. So I'll draw one here. I'll put another one over here. I'll also do the same thing here. I'm going to make one right here. I'm going to try to keep it about the same size as the one on the other side. I'll also make another one over here. Then I'm just going to make a little half of an oval shape at the ends here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Diwali candle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy and have a happy Diwali.